Dippity chalk and sharp right at the south pitch. Oh no. Look, they built a Sneed factory, Taylor. A Sneed factory. And the Lorax is watching. He doesn't like it. And they keep chopping down a couple of trees. The whole wagon full of truffle trees right there. They keep chopping them down. See, they're chopping one down right there. Right there. And in no time at all, in the factory I built, the whole Once-Split family was listening full tilt, just as busy as bees to the sound of the chopping of the truffle trees. Whoa! There's more. Yeah? You don't like the chopping of the truffle tree? What's up?